inverter circuit. Okay, the voltage source inverter. Here this is for phase A, phase B and phase C MOSFETs, and these two are anti-parallel diodes for each phase or each switch. Okay, in phase A, two MOSFETs will be there. One is for positive cycle, another is for negative cycle. Similarly for phase B and phase C, one is for positive and another one is for negative cycle. These switches will be turned on with the help of this driver circuits and the controller. The controller will generate the pulses. The pulses will be provided to the buffer IC, which will isolate the controller and the driver circuit. Here we have provided pulses for 180-degree mode conduction. For 120-degree mode conduction, another set of pulses we have to code. And from this buffer IC, it is given to the driver IC. For each switch, we need to provide one set of driver IC with resistor. This resistor is used for current limiting between the controller or buffer IC to this driver circuit. And this capacitor plus this diode is used for supply. This diode is to avoid any reverse power flow. Capacitor is used to reduce any voltage ripples. If any pulses flowing from this buffer IC to this driver IC, when the pulse is high, at the time the supply will be connected across gate and source terminals of the MOSFET, so the MOSFET will be on. And when the pulse is low here, so the supply will be cut off. So here the gate and source voltage will be 0 and MOSFET will be off. It is a non-inverting driver circuit setup. And here this is the battery used as a supply for the voltage source inverter. First we have to turn on the controller, then we have to turn on the driver circuit supply. After that we have to connect the main supply for the inverter. This battery is a main supply here. Okay, if you see this output, this is phase A and phase B outputs, voltage output. And to check the phase C, okay, now we will get phase B and phase C. This is voltage across the resistor VA, VB, VC. If you want to check VAB, you can check here. This is VAB. This is VBC. And VCA. This is face-to-face voltages. Here this is a simple 3-phase inverter circuit which will invert the DC voltage to 3-phase AC voltage.